Hello, my name is Jan Jones and I'm a fifth generation row crop farmer in Decatur County, Georgia. The row crops that we grow on our farm are cotton, corn, and peanuts. Together, Dad and I farm about 1,000 acres, so we have plenty of work to do, and we both kind of rotate around so that everything that needs doing gets done. I think that agriculture in general, and especially family farms, family is the most important word there. There is a sense of community that is such an important part of agriculture. It's working together with your family, it's working together with the people around you, and I don't know that you could be successful in farming and agriculture if you didn't have a community to support you. Georgia is the #1 producer in peanuts in the United States. We produce a lot of the peanuts globally too. We're one of the top producers globally. So Georgia has a really long history with growing and developing peanuts. I believe that the first time that peanuts were introduced to the American public was at the World's Fair in the early 1900s. So that's probably pretty accurate to say that it would go down to the farms within the next 20 years or so. At the beginning, peanuts were kind of a niche crop. They were a specialty crop because we weren't sure how it was going to be accepted into American culture and world culture. And now, we know that peanuts are everywhere. It's in world cuisine. Every country, I feel like, has some kind of a peanut dish that they enjoy. It's not just candy bars and peanut butter, Determination and a resiliency. And I think that's, it's not just in the U.S., that's any kind of farmer. You have to be really determined to work hard and, to take pride in what you do, because one of Dad's favorite things to say is that you get out of something what you put into it. So if you put in the hard work and if you focus on producing quality products, whether that's peanuts or corn or cotton, hopefully you'll be able to harvest that and to get that at the end of it. In 2015, I believe, was whenever Dad bought the first Colombo peanut picker. And he learned about it from one of his really good friends and well-respected farmer in our community who had already purchased a Colombo and had really liked it. So we went and looked at the Colombo machine, and Dad really, he was most impressed with the design and how simple it was compared to other machines in the American market that we had already operated. With the rotor system, it was very clean, it was very simple design, and he was just really impressed with it. Our new Colombo picker, which has the flex head on the front, and I am really happy with it. It does a great job. It was word of mouth that first brought us to Colombo, but the service and the integrity of the company, that's what really pushed, that's why we've kind of committed to Colombo, and why we will continue to buy Colombo products. And yeah, the service, like Dad said, the service and the quality are both top-notch, and you can really tell that Colombo stands by its product. Its employees believe in the product that they're selling, and that's something that is really important for us. Right, I mean, every technician that has come down here has been knowledgeable. They have been able to fix the problem on the farm, and they've done it with such a friendly, open personality. I mean, not a single one of them has been grumpy. It's peanut season. I feel like everybody is grumpy. Everybody is, but the Colombo technicians, they're all great.
By Colombo, it's kind of like you're in the family. Hi, I'm Jerry Jones. I'm Jan's dad. We live in Climax, Georgia, which is Decatur County. We raise peanuts, corn, cotton, and beef cattle. I've been a Colombo customer now for eight or 9 years. 2 pickers, inverter. I visited Brazil several years ago through Colombo. Had a great time. They really showed the plants off that they produced. Colombo's a good product. Well satisfied with it, and well satisfied with the personnel.